Welcome to a developing tropical weather scene by the Force 13's Australia, New Zealand Channel, Oceania, where we have tropical low 99S that has developed. We have a marine wind warning in place for parts of the Western Australia coastline. We have a severe thunderstorm warning currently in place for the central west slopes plains with Riverina, lower western and upper western forecast districts, New South Wales. The next warning will be 13:55 New South Wales time. Now, this is a model showing 99S. And there is no doubt that the 99S track could change. This is the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guidance, and it has actually changed over the last 6 to 12 hours. We have a tropical disturbance 18F over in the Fiji region. Near 14.2 south, 178 east. This is the current synoptic chart by Weather Nandy. And Force 13 Australia Channel will be keeping an eye on their next updated chart. Now this is a satellite view. We have two tropical lows and one low on the in the western region. This is the 850 MB vorticity for the eastern region, and you can definitely see the yellow across the Northern Territory and out into the Timor Sea. This is the upper level divergence for the eastern region. And a wind shear. Systems don't like the strong wind shear outlined in red. This is deep layer wind shear, and as previously mentioned, systems love the area in blue to green, slightly to the yellow, but the environment becomes less friendlier in the reds to pink to right. Now this is the WA upper level divergence, and you can see that the wind in knots is very healthy. Up to 40 knots near the west of Darwin. Let's see, 850 MB vorticity. There are three areas. There's a tropical low, Cocos, very close to the Cocos Keeling Island, 99S, and just to the north of Perth, WA. This is a model one across the next 4 days. And there's the forward motion. And a possible signal could come on the radar in the Coral Sea. Now, please be advised that the weather models do change, tracks also change, and this is one or two. For the Coral Sea region. And the one on the screen is could be on the mark, considering a developing rain system. Now this is the third model. Now, possible track for 99S. The second track, and a third track, Now, currently on the screen is an extract from another group of models. This is just a quick preview, and the models are in alignment re 99S. Now this is the daily forecast of rain, and the area south of Mackay. Could see, including the Mackay region, could see some high totals of rain. And 99S is currently to the north of Broome and probably about 200 miles from that location. And how the model changes the total forecast of rain from days 1 through 8. It's the Coral Sea. They're going to finally see the drought breaking, and unless the drought is breaking, By the end of the tropical cyclone season, it could turn out to be the quietest for several decades. Now, this is the a few floaters of 99S. Sea surface temperature for 99S is a non-issue. A very healthy 31 Celsius. And Force 13 via the Australia Oceania Channel will continue to bring updated information. And Force 13's main channel, they will start monitoring and reporting on 99S in the coming days. Now this is the GFS total precipitation outlook. And this is across the forecast period. And the forecast period, if I remember correctly, is 240 hours. And you can definitely see the areas of interest. Apology for the feedback. I think I might have somebody else in the studio. So that is a snapshot of the precipitation by the GFS model, and we have a look at satellite imagery for the eastern region across to Fiji. And as mentioned earlier, the Fiji does have a tropical depression on its radar, but it is expected to track southeast or south-southeast. And the tropical low 1 or 99S 1005 HPA near 14 south 121 east. Tropical low 2 or 1010 HPA located 12 south 098 east. And as mentioned, we do have a low pressure system close to Perth WA. And 99S it's developing. Okay, 99S wind speed, and you can see the outer northern 20 knots, the southwest, southeast sectors 20.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube, you're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.